If you want to create a text shortcut on iPhone 16e, you need to go to Settings, choose General, then over here scroll down and go to Keyboard, and you want to go to Text Replacement. Over here you will find the text shortcuts that can be used in order to quickly write one thing and then it will be replaced with another. So we can press this plus button in the top right corner. Let's use the shortcut first. So if I type HBU, then the whole phrase will be how about you? And there we go. Then we can save it. And now if, for example, I go to messages and if I just type HBU, you can immediately see the highlighted full phrase that I can tap over here in order to use, or if I just press space, it will be immediately converted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!